guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with the August haul and unboxing. Going into a new direction. I'm going to have August empties, August haul, and so on. We'll see how this goes. And it's gonna take me a while to actually like catch up with that. I have a lot of stuff. Because I fucking have been running out of everything. So seriously, the damn August empties, just wait for it. I have the Tresemme Luxurious Moisture. These fucking giant bottles from Sam's Club. I have a new body wash. It is the Vita Bath Heavenly Coconut Cream. I currently have a body wash that's from the same line that I'm absolutely fucking obsessed with, and so I decided, like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and try that, but I'm gonna go kind of that route and have this kind of be in my rotation for a little bit. I picked up another EOS Sensitive Shave Cream. I absolutely love this stuff. So if you have like super sensitive skin and why am I turning red? Hello. I'm open to suggestions as far as shave creams and stuff like that go, because I definitely want to try some more stuff. I have Old Faithful here, my Maybelline Define fucking line. Another Old Faithful, but it's a new scent. It's the Tree Hut Shave Sugar Scrub in Belize Breeze. I'm so excited to try this one.
I just want to lay behind your back.
I miss you too. So the last few things of the Ulta haul, I have two sheet masks. I have they're both by Tony Moly, the Skin Soothing I'm a Tea Tree sheet mask. I'm so fucking gay. Okay, and then I got the Vitalizing I'm Real Peach mask, which I may have had this one before, but I was on a peach kick this day when I picked it up. Anyone want to know a random fact about me? Oh, no? I'm gonna tell you anyway. I bit into a peach for the first time in my life the other day. Don't judge me, I'm weird with fruit. Okay, I have the L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear. 24-hour, really? That's a high fucking claim. I got an oldie but a goodie. It is the, oh my god, it smells like a weird Scholastic Book Fair like magazine. I don't know why I'm sniffing a box, but anyway, sometimes you just have to sniff a box. Ask Tim, he does all the time. The VACA First Light Priming Filter. Yay! I've been wanting to pick one of these up for like ever, so now I can actually use my gold one. Wait, this is First Light? Oh, so that one's backlight. What the fuck ever. Purple and goddamn gold. So that'll be in the rotation. And the new concealer. I have the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. Yeah, so this will be in a first impressions. Drum roll, fucking please. Oh, y'all motherfuckers are ready. I got the big pink box, motherfuckers. Freestar! La la la! It smells like Home Depot. Hey Tim, smell this. Tell me it smells like Home Depot. Or like the gardening department.
Yeah, kinda. A little bit of battery acid too.
I have things, guys. I have things. Okay, there was a 48-hour sale. Free shipping, and if you buy any accessories or clothing, you get a free lip. And I was like, I've wanted to try the liquid lips, and I was like, oh, this is perfect. The first accessory that I bought to get my free lip, the set of the reusable, like, drinking straws. Okay, so before I was rudely interrupted by the fact that my fucking camera battery died. I mean, seriously, what is a makeup video without me being like, oh, my fucking battery, or like, oh, my fucking makeup brushes, which I probably should fucking wash my makeup brushes today. Or at least some of them, and then do some tomorrow, or like do it all together. Well, like, I don't know what to do. Hello, straws, and it comes with like a little, like, clean me dude, so you can, you know, you can fuck your straws with a damn little bristly brush, and these are so bougie. I love them. Oh, there's one that's not even bent. Oh, gosh. Oh, man, I fucking love them. Oh, my God. Then one of the lipsticks, are you fucking serious? This battery's dead, too? Okay, so this is in the color Christmas Cookie. Oh, fuck me. Yes. Oh, God. That is fucking everything. That is gonna look good on me. It smells like paint. The other accessory that I got, fucking, y'all ready for this? And let the choirs sing. Yes, my friends, I have the Jeffree Star mirror, and it is Yo. Nice chrome. So then the other lip color, the Soft Serve. Oh wow. That's gonna be, so it looks more pink, and that's this one. It looks more pink like in person. Really antsy to see how it looks on my fucking mug though. Totally not part of the deal, but the fact that this was not sold out, I'm like, bitch. Magic Star setting powder. Translucent, the other one that I was looking at, I can't remember. Of course, now I can't fucking remember what the hell it was. And I have not seen the packaging yet. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Yes, ma'am. Oh, look at that. You could twist and pour, and the fact that it has an open and close, guess what this one's going to be for? Travel. I'm willing to show off my messy powders. Y'all ready? Ouch, my toe. Ouch, my toe. Ah! I dropped setting powder on my fucking toe. Bare Minerals Original Veil. And mind you, I have not traveled with this. Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Hello, hello. Focus, it's so white. 2 more. Rimmel London Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Fucking Finishing Powder. Again, like, look at, like, the sifter holes are there. Yeah, it's fucking, there we go. That, oh, that's fucking beautiful. I'm so fucking sold. Just on, I mean, the product itself could probably not work that well. I know it's gonna fucking work. It's Jeffree Star, come on. This is my least messy one out of all of them. If I were to throw this in a makeup bag right now, I'm traveling, throw my bag and suck my cock, and yeah, that aspect alone sets the bar so fucking high. Yay, travel bag stuff. Oh my god, so that's it for the August haul and unboxing video with a little mention of setting powders. Setting powder adventure, haha. Oh, that is a nice formula. Oh my god, it sticks, but it's not sticky. And until the next one.